Learn and listen to English through stories with slow, easy, and clear speech. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy it. Let's begin. The Boy and the Starfish. Tom was a man who liked the sea. He worked in a busy office all year, and now he was on holiday. He went to a small beach town to rest. The sun was warm, the waves were big, and the air smelled fresh. He put on his old shoes and a hat, then walked to the beach. This morning was not like other mornings. A big storm had come last night. The wind was strong, and the rain was heavy. Now, the storm was over, but the beach looked different. Tom saw wet sand everywhere. He saw something else, too. Hundreds of starfish. They were small, orange, and purple, lying on the sand. The sun was hot, and the starfish were drying out. Tom felt sad. There are too many, he thought. I can't help them all. He kept walking. Then he saw a boy. The boy was small, with messy hair and a happy face. His name was Jack. He wore a red shirt and old shorts. Jack was busy. He ran to the sand, picked up a starfish, then ran to the water and threw it in. Splash! He did it again and again. Tom walked closer. "Hello," he said. "What are you doing?" Jack looked at Tom. "I'm saving the starfish," he said. "The storm brought them here. They need water or they will die. I'm putting them back in the sea." Tom looked around. The beach was full of starfish, hundreds, maybe more. He rubbed his head. "Why do you do this?" he asked. "There are too many. You can't save them all. It doesn't matter." Jack stopped. He picked up a little orange starfish. It was dry and stiff. He held it, smiled at Tom, and ran to the water. Splash! The starfish went under the waves. Jack turned back and said, "It matters to this one." Tom was quiet. He didn't know what to say. Jack ran back to the sand. He picked up another starfish, then another. Splash! Splash! His feet were wet, and his hands were sandy, but he didn't stop. His eyes were shiny. He looked happy, not tired. Tom watched him. "It matters to this one," he said softly. The words felt big. He looked down. A purple starfish was near his foot. It was small, with 5 little arms. Tom bent down and picked it up. It felt rough in his hand. He walked to the water and threw it in. Splash! The starfish disappeared. Tom smiled. It felt nice. He looked at Jack again. The boy was still running, still throwing starfish. Tom thought, maybe he's right. He picked up another starfish, then another. Soon, Tom was helping too. He wasn't as fast as Jack, but he tried. Splash, splash. Each starfish made him feel good. The sun got higher. The beach was big, and many starfish were still on the sand. But Tom didn't feel sad now. He felt strong. Every starfish he saved made him happy. "It matters to this one," he said. Jack heard him and laughed. "Yes," Jack shouted. "It matters." They worked together for a long time. The sand had fewer starfish now. The sea had more. Tom's arms were tired, but his heart was warm. He looked at Jack. "You're a good boy," he said. "You showed me something today." Jack smiled big. "I just want to help," he said. "My dad says small things can be important." Tom nodded. "Your dad is right," he said. He threw one more starfish. Splash! Then he stopped. He looked at the sea. The waves were soft now. The sun was bright. The beach wasn't empty, but it was better. Jack ran to find more starfish. Tom stayed by the water. He watched the waves move. He thought about his life. In his office, he wrote emails and talked on the phone. Did it matter? He didn't know. But today, he helped Jack. He saved starfish. It was small, but it felt big. The wind was soft. Tom took off his hat and felt the air on his face. He smiled. "Can I make a difference too?" he asked himself. He didn't have an answer, but he wanted to find one. Jack came back. "We did a lot," he said. "The starfish are safe now." Tom laughed. "Yes, they are. And I feel good too." Jack waved. "See you tomorrow," he said. Then he ran to a small house near the beach. Tom watched him go. The sun was going down. The sky turned orange and pink. The sea looked pretty. Tom breathed deeply. He felt calm. He felt new. That night, Tom sat outside with tea. He thought about Jack and the starfish. He thought about, "It matters to this one." He made a plan. Tomorrow, he would walk the beach again. Maybe he would see Jack. Maybe he would save more starfish. Or maybe he would help someone else. Small things or big things, it didn't matter. Trying mattered. Tom looked at the sky. The stars were bright, like starfish in the night. He smiled. One boy can't change the world, he thought, but he can change one day, and that's enough.